Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a new user on Mac. In addition, we'll tag Mac products within the video and include affiliate links to fantastic Mac products in the description below. To start, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down list will then appear. Click on System Preferences. Next, you'll see an option for Users and Groups. Click on Users and Groups. Now, click the lock to make changes. To allow, enter the administrator's username and password. After entering, click on Unlock. Under Login Options, you'll see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon. First, select if the account type of the new user, either administrator, standard, sharing only, or group. In this case, we'll be creating for a standard user. Next, enter the user's full name, account name, and the password you wish to use. Make sure to verify it as well, and enter a password hint. After entering all the required information, click on the Create User button. And now the new user account has been created. That's how you create new user on Mac. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.